Top 6 Best Sewing Machine. Top 1. Brother CS7000i Sewing and Quilting Machine. 70 unique built-in stitches. The Brother CS7000i comes with 70 built-in sewing stitches including utility, quilting, decorative, heirloom stitches, and 7 auto-size buttonholes. Automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin. This sewing and quilting machine includes an automatic needle threader that perfectly pushes thread through the needle and a convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. Included accessories. The CS7000i includes a protective hard case, wide table, 10 sewing feet, instruction manual, and more. LCD screen. The backlit LCD display allows you to easily make and view your stitch selections. At your side support, the CS7000i quilting and sewing machine comes with Brother at your side support, offering free technical support via online, live chat or phone for the life of your machine. Top 2. Brother Sewing Machine, GX37, 37 built-in stitches, 6 included sewing feet. 37 unique built-in stitches. The GX37 features 37 unique, built-in stitches and an auto-size buttonhole. Automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin. This sewing machine includes an automatic needle threader that perfectly pushes the thread through the needle and a convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. Included accessories. The GX37 includes 6 sewing feet, needle set, bobbins, instructional DVD, manual and more. Versatile free arm. The Brother GX37 is perfect for a range of everyday sewing and quilting projects, for every user from beginner to the advanced. Top 3. Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 Computerized Portable Sewing Machine. Singer Computerized Sewing Machine. The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 portable sewing machine has loads of ease of use features to allow you to fulfill your creative dreams. Has a large selection of stitches including basic, stretch, and decorative stitches for fashion sewing, quilting, home decor and crafting. There's even a selection of fonts to personalize projects. Automatic needle threader. Threading the machine is so easy that you can have the entire machine threaded, from the spool to the needle's eye. In seconds the built-in needle threader threads the eye of the needle for you, eliminating eye strain and frustration. Best Sewing Machine. The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 sewing machine has 600 built-in stitches including 5 alphanumeric fonts and 13 built-in one-step buttonholes with exclusive buttonhole underplate. It also has mirror imaging and stitch elongation, providing even more creative possibilities. High-speed sewing machine. The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 sewing machine has a maximum sewing speed of 850 stitches per minute. Projects can be sewn quickly. Top 4. Singer Start 1304 6 built-in stitches, free arm best sewing machine for beginners, 11.46 pounds. The Singer Start 1304 sewing machine is basic, simple, and easy to use thanks to 57 stitch applications, all with preset stitch width and stitch length. Just select your stitch and start sewing. This lightweight and portable machine weighs only 7 pounds, making it great for sewing in smaller spaces or taking to sewing class. Automatic bobbin winding sewing machine. To wind a bobbin, simply follow the numbered diagram printed on top of the sewing machine. The bobbin will automatically stop turning when it's completely filled. Top 5. Singer Heavy Duty 4452 sewing machine. The Singer heavy-duty 4452 sewing machine boasts an array of features that make creating elegant garments and gifts for yourself and others fun and exciting. The sewing machine with 32 built-in stitches includes 6 basic, 7 stretch, 18 decorative stitches and 1 fully automatic one-step buttonholes. A large variety of stitches for all types of sewing and perfect for crafts, home decor, clothing construction, and much more. Automatic needle threader sewing machine. After following the threading path printed right on the machine, this built-in feature helps you to effortlessly thread the eye of the needle without eye strain or frustration. Machine size, 15.5 x 6.25 x 12 inches. High-speed sewing machine. The Singer 4452 sewing machine has a maximum sewing speed of 1100 stitches per minute, so projects can be sewn quickly. Top 6. Brother CS5055 Computerized Sewing Machine. 60 unique built-in stitches. The Brother CS5055 sewing machine includes 60 built-in stitches including utility, decorative and heirloom stitch functions, and 7 one-step auto-size buttonholes. Improved needle threader, easier than ever to use. The automatic needle threader reliably pushes the thread through the needle. The convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin, easy to load and helps ensure your bobbin stays in place. Metal frame and fixed needle bar. The durable metal frame construction allows your machine to tackle any project, and the needle is fixed in place while you work, allowing for cleaner stitching and even lines.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe.